icon living. I am just an icon living.
The world that we see is based on a country basis. Every social organization and elements, including currency, belongs inside the country's boundaries. With the development of various technologies, we're now able to cross national boundaries. Blockchain has facilitated the world to reorganize on a community basis. However, each community is still isolated, and people had to build and rely on exchanges to connect with each other. This led to another concentration of power. ICON was created to solve these problems. ICON is a decentralized network where anyone can participate and connect to any blockchain. Through ICON, communities that were isolated can now connect and share various services through their network. Here's how the communities are actually connected. Communities use blockchain IDs for payment and exchange currencies of different communities through DEX wallets and access various networks and services. For example, here is a person who had a doctor's appointment at a hospital. This man had insurance in advance. After the treatment, the hospital authenticates their blockchain ID and delivers the medical data to the insurance company on the ICON network. The insurer who received the data compares the medical and insurance history, calculates the insurance payment, and sends it immediately. The insurance benefits can be used anywhere inside the ICON network, such as buying stocks, paying college tuitions, using them for e-commerce, or to buy ethers. These ideas can be expanded unlimitedly, and your idea can be realized in the ICON network as well. A new world where everyone builds and connects their own communities. That's the world that ICON will create.
The ICON network, they are trying to create an ecosystem where institutions right across the board can communicate with each other using decentralized applications, using different blockchain IDs, payment and exchange mediums, you know, so that insurance and universities and banks and all these industries can actually come together and interact with each other.
I also noticed that it's mentioned in forums, in CryptoCoins News, in CoinZax and Bloomberg. So it has been announced by all of these things. All these companies are talking about it.
Up the likes.
What is ICON? Hyperconnect the world. The ICON project is building one of the largest decentralized networks in the world. So the ICON network already boasts communities comprised of reputable institutions like banks, securities, insurance, hospitals, etc. The ID chain can be used by financial securities community and be used for ID verification in all other communities. So all of this is very interesting. It talks about the use cases. It talks about the scalability of the project, which is very, very important. And then it compares it to other blockchains, telling you the features it has and the features these ones are missing. Very useful. Roadmap right here for those of you who like a roadmap. There's also a white paper up here for those of you who like a white paper.
ICON is a decentralized network which connects various blockchain-based communities. It is creating an open-source ecosystem that would allow organizations like government departments, universities, hospitals, and financial institutions to interact with each other without third-party networks that charge transaction fees or delay the process. Its vision is to allow people to use ICX, which is the platform's own cryptocurrency, to pay for products and services directly to organizations on their network. For example, blockchain ID can be issued by financial securities communities and used for ID verification in all other communities.
Icon.
Icon.
Do you love Korean barbecue? Of course you do. What kind of question is that?